this Genius by Pettysave business app, and the goal is to help you sell smarter, save smarter, and access a number of credit tools. So as a new user, you get started, you input your first name, last name, your email or your phone number. If you have a referral code, then that's fine. Then you go ahead to create an account. Then your OTP will be sent to your email address, and you then can input your OTP, then create your password, confirm your password, basically, and that's been successfully created. Then you can come here and sign in, input your email or phone number, then you proceed, then your password, then you get to your dashboard. Now when you get to your dashboard, which is your home page, you have to follow through to do like your verification. So you start with your verification. For the details you've imputed before, they'll be pre-filled. Then you go ahead to input your BVN, your NIN, your picture, your residential address, and your proof of residential address. Then you continue. Then let us know if you are a registered business or not a registered business, and input your TIN or your corporate affairs commission certificate. Then you click on continue. Then you create a PIN that you use for your transactions, and you're all done, and you're back to your dashboard. Now this is what your dashboard looks like. You can see like your mini stats here, total number of customers, total transactions, total amount saved, credit due, and savings percentage. Here you have access to all your accounts. So this is your debit account. You can fund your account, or you can transfer to somebody else. Basically, you can see all your accounts, your savings account, your debit account, your credit account, and your loan account. You can also hide your account balance and all of those things, basically. So when it has to do it, so yeah, you immediately you register, 1% of your transactions being received automatically saved to your savings account. You can come here to your inflow, you can click on into your inflow to watch how that works, or you can update or cancel it, but this shows you the total amount of inflow you've gotten and the total amount that has been saved. You can also access your account here. You can see your debit account, your credit account. Under your credit account, you can see that you have 30 days free interest credits that you can use and return. This shows you information about the due dates, the credit limits, amount you've paid, your interest rates, how much you're owing, accrued interest, your defaults. Then you can request to increase your credit limits. You can download your account statement, and you can see like your transaction inflow, your transaction details for your credit account. Then you can go to your savings account, where you see your interest per annum, total interest you've earned, when is your next withdrawal date. You can copy your account number, you can withdraw, add money, you can you can enable auto save, how you prefer to save, daily, weekly, monthly, and all of that. So you can do that, how much you prefer to save, and you can select your source, from your debit account or from your card, and you can verify your card, input your card number and verify it, and you're good to go, basically, on that. So that's how that actually works. Yeah. So now you've entered your PIN, to ensure that you are the person that is setting that account, and autosave is enabled right now. So you can see when your next autosave deposit will be on. You can also set and update your savings percentage. How much of your income would you love to put in your savings? Increase that to 20% or whatever amount, and you can save that, and that's done, basically. Then to your loan account, what's your total loan, how much you're owing when it comes to your loan, what's the interest rate, what's the total loan to be repaid, or total loan that you've repaid. You can see the loan applications you've sent in, the ones that have been disbursed, the one that are pending, the one that are denied. You can also apply for loan. Yes, enter the amount of money you want to apply, and all of this, fill all of details, submit all of these details for your loan, and impute. Yes, the loan process is a bit, because it's loan, so your application has been submitted and you're good, and you're waiting till it's approved. Also, you can see your inventory, total number of available products, products that are out of stock. You can also create your inventory. You can also see your orders, the people that ordered from you from the marketplace. You can see all of that there. Then you can get to see, have a list of your customers, that purchased from you, how much you purchased, and all of those things that are there. Then also you can, chat with your customers. Customers can chat with you from the Genius app. Also you can get to, add, users, people in your company, and send them invites. So you want them to be able to take care of a few things, because you are not the only one using the application. So basically, that's what, the business app does for you. Thank you so much.